would you step forward to receive your certificate from His Excellency? Franklin Osoro.
Followed by Josephat Griama. Ross Ogeto, you follow suit. Mokoro Kimanga.
Wewe pitia juu, pitia juu, pitia juu. Pitia huko juu.
Ross, pick your certificate, please. Mokoro Kimanga. Justin Karagoi. Follow. Justin. Patishara Mongare, please come forward. Followed by Edison Omara. Please do faster. Paul Biogo, Paul, quickly. Fred Maeta. Paul, quickly. Paul. Yes. Fred. Also. Followed by Nancy Kennedy. Job Okiagera, Leraba. Nancy Kennedy. Okiagera. Nancy first. Onsongo Ezekiel. Onsongo Ezekiel, pursuit. Doreen Yaboga. Christmas Ogari.